Morning children. Yesterday we have learnt 1 and 2 questions, right? Today let us start with the third question. What is a script? Does every spoken language have a script of its own? Answer. Set of letters, numbers and symbols created for a spoken language is called a script. And we have one more question. Does every spoken language have a script of its own? No. Every spoken language don't have their own script. You know children, in India we have our Indian government recognized 22 languages as official languages, right? Among the 22 languages, only 13 languages have their own script. The remaining languages do not have their own script. So this is the answer children. Now coming to fourth question. List 2 practices you should avoid while using a mobile phone. So what are the things we have to follow while using mobile phone children? First one. Do not use mobile phone while driving any vehicle. Don't use mobile phone while driving any vehicle. So it causes, whenever you use the mobile phone while driving, you may get accident, right? Otherwise you may be punished by the traffic policeman, right? So children, this is the first thing. And second one, don't use mobile phone while it is charging. Yeah, most of the people doing like this, you know, they were charging the mobile phone, and at a time they will use the mobile phone. So what will happen? The battery will blast, and we made some situations also. So children, please avoid this. Don't use mobile phone while it is charging. You have to turn off the switch, then you can use the mobile phone. Okay children, you should follow these 2 things. Now coming to first question in the fourth round. Explain the evolution of the different systems of communication. Yeah, we have a different means of communication. Now let us start with the first stage. Pigeons were our first postal carriers. They were trying to carry messages tied to their legs and deliver them to different places. Yeah, I have already taught you at the stage 1. Pigeons were trained. You know, the letters tied to their pigeons' legs. Pigeons will go to the destination. After reaching the destination, the pigeon will give to the letter to them. And next stage 2, they used smoke signals. So they were used to deliver news, signal danger, and ask people to gather in a common area. Yes, they were using smoke signal children. So the people are gathered at one area, then they released smoke signals. So what happens? The message they will understand. Now coming to third point, as time passed, postal service came into being. Yeah, now also we have the postal system children. A letter takes day or more to reach its destination. Yeah, if you post the letter today, it will take 2 or more days to reach your final point or final destination. Now have speed post and courier services to send letters and parcels faster. So speed post take within 1 day children. So if you can post today, it will reach less than 24 hours. Now coming to fourth, newspapers and television also help in communicating announcements and the latest news a large number of people. Yeah, a large number of people. You know children, now we have the Niva cyclone, right? We will get the latest news from the television or newspaper. So these 2 means of communication give us the latest information to the large number of people. Okay children, this is about first question in the fourth round. Now coming to second question. See children, what should you check when you use technology to communicate? Yeah. So if you use the technology, what you should to check? When you send an email to a person, you should check if the person has a computer or a mobile phone with internet connection. So children, if you send a message, so the receiver do not have the internet, what happens? The receiver cannot get your messages. So that is why you should check both sides. The internet connection is there or not. Is it available or not? Okay, this is first thing. Now coming to second point. People on both sides should have suitable devices such as a web camera for video chat and video conference. If you want to chat with video chat, or if you want to make a video call, so what you need? Web cameras. So whenever you use the web cameras, the picture will be very clear to us, and this is very suitable and very important. Next, you should check if the receiver will be able to open and read an SMS that they receive. Okay children, see, if you send a message, you should check the receiver will able to receive the SMS and able to read that SMS. For suppose, if you want to send an email to the grandparents. So, for example, your grandparents were uneducated. Are they able to read the message what you sent? No. So children, that is why you should check the both receiver side and your side, if the receiver can read the message or not, if the receiver have the internet connection or not. So these all points you should check while using the technology. Okay children, so don't forget this. Remember all these things whenever you use the technology. Now coming to the third question. How do the ways of communication used in olden days differ from those we use today? Yeah, olden days, nowadays. Pigeons were used to carry messages. Yeah, in olden days, earlier people were using pigeons to carry messages from one point to another point. Now coming to nowadays, mobile phones are using to communicate. Instead of letters, instead of postal letters, we are using mobile phones to communicate with the people. Now coming to second point. Earlier people were using smoke signals to communicate with people. At the stage 2, modern humans are using internet to help us communicate easily with people. Smoke signals. Now internet. Coming to third point. They were using postal services. A letter takes day or more to reach. Yeah, whenever you use the postal service, it takes 1 day or more days to reach the destination. But coming to email, modern humans are sending messages through email. It takes less than 1 minute to reach the destination. So, not only email, text message also, it takes less than 1 minute to reach your destination or friends or family members. So this is the difference between olden days and nowadays children. This is about question answers part in lesson 5. Today your homework is read all the questions and answers and write without seeing in any rough notebook. Later send the pic to me through the WhatsApp. Okay, that is your work children. And you should prepare well for the examination and get the good marks. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, all the very best.